Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use ChatGPT, the powerful AI chatbot, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you want to write, learn, brainstorm, or just have a conversation, ChatGPT can help. We'll start with the basics, show you how to access the tool, and guide you through your first interaction. By the end, you'll feel confident using ChatGPT for a variety of tasks. Let's get started and unlock the potential of AI together. ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It uses artificial intelligence to understand your questions and provide helpful, human-like responses. You can use it for writing, research, learning new topics, or just having a friendly chat. Think of ChatGPT as a virtual assistant that's available 24/7, ready to help you with almost anything you need. In this scene, we'll explain the core concept of ChatGPT and what makes it so useful for beginners. To start using ChatGPT, you'll need to access it online. Simply open your web browser and go to the official ChatGPT website. You can use it on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Some platforms may require you to sign up for a free account, while others let you try it out instantly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. In the next scene, we'll show you how to create an account if needed. If you're prompted to create an account, don't worry, it's a simple process. Click the sign up button, enter your email address, and set a password. You may need to verify your email by clicking a link sent to your inbox. Some platforms also allow you to sign up using your Google or Microsoft account for convenience. Once you're registered, you can log in anytime and start chatting with ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface. It usually features a chat window where you can type your questions or prompts. There may be a sidebar with settings or conversation history. The design is user-friendly, so you can quickly find where to start typing. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will help you use ChatGPT more efficiently. Next, we'll show you how to start your first conversation. To begin chatting, simply click in the text box at the bottom of the screen and type your question or message. You can ask anything from simple facts to creative writing prompts. When you're ready, press enter or click the send button. ChatGPT will process your input and reply in just a few seconds. Don't worry about making mistakes. You can always rephrase or ask follow-up questions. A prompt is simply what you type to ChatGPT. It can be a question, a statement, or even a command. The clearer your prompt, the better the response you'll get. For example, instead of saying help, try, "Can you help me write a birthday message?" Being specific helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you need. In the next scene, we'll look at some examples of effective prompts. Let's look at a few examples of effective prompts. If you want to learn about a topic, try explain how photosynthesis works. For creative writing, you might say, write a short story about a dragon. If you need help with a task, ask, "Can you help me plan a weekly schedule?" These clear, specific prompts help ChatGPT give you the best possible answers. ChatGPT responds in a conversational, friendly tone. It tries to be helpful and informative, but sometimes its answers may be general or need clarification. If you don't get the answer you want, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions or rephrase your prompt. The more you interact, the better you'll understand how to get the most out of ChatGPT. If you want to change your question or continue a conversation, simply type a new message in the chat box. You can refer back to previous messages or clarify your request. ChatGPT remembers the context of your conversation, so you can build on earlier answers. This makes it easy to have ongoing discussions or refine your questions as you go. ChatGPT is a great tool for writing tasks. You can ask it to help you draft emails, write stories, create reports, or even generate ideas for blog posts. Just tell ChatGPT what you need, and it will provide suggestions or full drafts. You can then edit or expand on its responses to suit your style. It's like having a writing assistant at your fingertips. You can use ChatGPT to learn about almost any topic. Ask it to explain concepts, summarize articles, or quiz you on facts. It's a helpful study partner for students and lifelong learners alike. If you're confused about something, just ask for a simpler explanation or more examples. ChatGPT adapts to your learning style and pace. Stuck on a project or need inspiration? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas for work, school, or personal projects. Just describe your goal or challenge and ask for suggestions. You'll get a list of creative options to consider. This makes ChatGPT a valuable tool for problem solving and innovation. Need help organizing your day or managing tasks? ChatGPT can assist with to-do lists, reminders, and even time management tips. Just ask for a daily schedule or advice on staying productive. You can also get help with shopping lists, meal planning, or travel arrangements. ChatGPT is like a personal assistant, always ready to help. ChatGPT isn't just for work or study. It can be fun too. Try playing word games, telling jokes, or asking for riddles. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate stories or poems for entertainment. It's a great way to relax and enjoy some lighthearted conversation whenever you need a break. Depending on the platform, you may be able to adjust ChatGPT's settings. Look for options to change the theme, language, or notification preferences. Some versions let you manage your conversation history or set privacy controls. Customizing these settings can make your experience more comfortable and secure. Your privacy is important when using ChatGPT. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information like passwords, bank details, or private addresses. Most platforms have privacy policies to protect your data, but it's always best to be cautious. If you have concerns, review the privacy settings and terms of service before using ChatGPT extensively. While ChatGPT is powerful, it has limitations. It may not always provide accurate or up-to-date information, and it can't access personal accounts or perform real-world actions. Use it as a helpful guide, but double-check important facts from reliable sources. If you notice mistakes, simply ask for clarification or do your own research. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, making it accessible to users around the world. You can chat in English, Spanish, French, and many other languages. Just type your message in your preferred language, and ChatGPT will respond accordingly. This feature is especially helpful for language learners or international users. Many ChatGPT platforms include accessibility features for users with disabilities. Look for options like screen reader compatibility, high contrast themes, or keyboard navigation. These tools ensure that everyone can use ChatGPT comfortably, regardless of their needs. Check the settings or help section for more information on accessibility. You can use ChatGPT on both mobile devices and desktop computers. The experience is similar, but the layout may differ slightly. On mobile, the interface is optimized for touchscreens and smaller displays. On desktop, you might have more space for conversation, history, and settings. Choose the device that's most convenient for you. Some platforms let you save or export your ChatGPT conversations. This is useful if you want to keep important information or refer back to previous chats. Look for options to download, email, or bookmark your conversations. Always check the privacy policy to understand how your data is stored and protected. If you want to delete a conversation, most platforms provide an option to clear your chat history. This helps protect your privacy and keeps your account organized. Look for a delete or clear history button in the settings or chat window. Remember, once deleted, you may not be able to recover those messages. ChatGPT can help with research by summarizing articles, explaining complex topics, or suggesting sources. However, always verify important information from trusted references, as ChatGPT's knowledge may not be fully up to date. Use it as a starting point for your research and follow up with your own investigation. If you run into technical issues, ChatGPT can often help troubleshoot problems or explain technical concepts. For example, you can ask for help with computer errors, software installation, or understanding technical jargon. If ChatGPT can't solve your problem, it can suggest where to find more help. ChatGPT can translate text between many languages. Just type or paste the text you want to translate and specify the target language. For example, translate this to Spanish. How are you? ChatGPT will provide a quick and accurate translation for most common languages. If you're learning to code or need help with programming, ChatGPT can assist. Ask for code examples, explanations of programming concepts, or help debugging errors. ChatGPT supports many popular languages like Python, JavaScript, and more. It's a valuable resource for students and developers alike. Need help deciding what to buy? ChatGPT can offer shopping advice, compare products, or suggest gift ideas. Just describe what you're looking for, and ChatGPT will provide recommendations based on your needs and preferences. It's like having a personal shopper online. Planning a trip? ChatGPT can help you find destinations, suggest itineraries, or recommend activities. Ask for travel tips, packing lists, or local attractions. While ChatGPT can't book tickets, it can make your planning process much easier and more organized. ChatGPT can provide general health information, explain symptoms, or suggest healthy habits. However, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider for serious concerns. Use ChatGPT as a starting point for learning about health topics. You can use ChatGPT for personal development, such as setting goals, building habits, or finding motivation. Ask for tips on productivity, mindfulness, or self-improvement. ChatGPT can provide encouragement and practical advice to help you grow and succeed. If you need advice on friendships, family, or romantic relationships, ChatGPT can offer general guidance and support. While it's not a substitute for professional counseling, it can help you think through situations and suggest ways to communicate or resolve conflicts. Looking for something fun? ChatGPT can recommend movies, music, books, or games based on your interests. Just ask for suggestions, and you'll get a list of options to explore. It's a great way to discover new entertainment and enjoy your free time. Stay informed by asking ChatGPT to summarize news articles or explain current events. While it can't provide real-time updates, it can help you understand the main points of recent news. Always cross-check important news with trusted sources for accuracy. Planning a party or meeting? ChatGPT can help you organize events, create checklists, or suggest themes and activities. Just describe your event, and ChatGPT will offer ideas to make it successful and memorable. ChatGPT can provide general financial advice, such as budgeting tips, saving strategies, or explanations of financial terms. Remember, it's not a substitute for a financial advisor, but it's a good starting point for learning about money management. If you're thinking about your career, ChatGPT can help with resume writing, interview tips, or exploring job options. Ask for advice on skills development or workplace communication. ChatGPT can support your professional growth and job search. Parents can use ChatGPT for advice on child development, activities, or managing family routines. While it's not a replacement for expert guidance, it can offer helpful suggestions and support for everyday parenting challenges. Looking for recipe ideas or cooking tips? ChatGPT can suggest meals, explain cooking techniques, or help you plan a menu. Just tell it what ingredients you have, and it can recommend dishes to try. It's a handy kitchen companion for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Want to start a new hobby? ChatGPT can suggest activities, explain how to get started, or recommend resources for learning. Whether you're interested in art, music, sports, or crafts, ChatGPT can help you explore your interests and find new passions. If you're feeling creative, ChatGPT can help with art ideas, writing prompts, or even music composition tips. Ask for inspiration or guidance on creative projects. ChatGPT can spark your imagination and help you bring your ideas to life. ChatGPT can help you draft social media posts, brainstorm content ideas, or suggest hashtags. It's a useful tool for influencers, marketers, or anyone looking to improve their online presence. Just describe your goal, and ChatGPT will offer creative suggestions. Struggling to manage your time? ChatGPT can help you create schedules, set priorities, or break tasks into steps. Ask for productivity tips or ways to stay focused. With ChatGPT's support, you can make the most of your day and reach your goals. To get the most out of ChatGPT, be clear and specific with your prompts, experiment with different questions, and don't hesitate to ask follow-ups. Explore the various features and use ChatGPT for different tasks to discover its full potential. The more you use it, the more comfortable and skilled you'll become. You've now learned the basics of using ChatGPT as a beginner. From starting your first chat to exploring advanced features, ChatGPT is a versatile tool for learning, productivity, and fun. Keep practicing, try new prompts, and don't be afraid to explore. With time, you'll become a confident ChatGPT user, ready to make the most of AI technology in your daily life.